guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I have another BOXYcharm unboxing and review slash try on. All of this month's products were so cool as usual. They were a little bit more different than the products I usually get. It wasn't as many makeup products. There was like a good variety of products this month. So if you guys want to see what I got in my BOXYcharm, what they're used for, and how I like them, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so of course the theme for this month's BOXYcharm is, well, it says XOXO, but I'm guessing it's Valentine's. But I mean, of course it's Valentine's. What else would they make it other than Valentine's? Guys, I don't know if this is weird or disgusting, but when I wear lipstick or lip gloss or anything, and I drink from straw, I drink it like this. Like through my tongue, so that it doesn't mess up my lipstick, I don't know. Okay, so I actually really liked all of the products that came in this month's BOXYcharm. Sometimes there's some that like I'm not gonna use, so I'll just give it away. But I actually really liked every single one of these products. So the first one is this Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. It says a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. This unique jelly textured mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. And vitamin C is always good. So the first thing I do want to say about this is the packaging is so bomb. I really like the little holographic detail, the matte packaging, and then I like how you can see the little container where the where the mask is stored inside. And I like that they make it very easy to see so that it's not like misleading, so you don't think this whole thing is full of product. For example, like the Glam Glow, they make it very difficult to see the amount of product in it. Like you have to look really closely to see like the little capsule that's holding the product. So I like how this one just makes it so easy to see. And there's nothing wrong with that. Glam Glow products are amazing. I just like how this makes it really easy to see. Another thing that I really liked is it has a little spatula. So you open it up and it comes with a little spatula on the top, which I love because if you have long nails, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this just makes it so much easier to apply to the face. And then it also has a big tab to pull it up, which also makes it so much easier. My Pharmacy moisturizer that I reviewed a couple weeks ago, it doesn't have a big tab like this. It's so small and it's such a struggle to put it on and off that I literally just threw it away. So this makes it so easy to remove the lid. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it actually has pieces of, I guess, the yuzu fruit in it. And it smells so good. It gives me like a super strong scent similar to oranges, but it doesn't smell like, I don't know how to explain it, but it smells like very natural. Like it's the fruit itself that is giving you the scent, not like chemicals. So for this product, it says apply after your moisturizer and leave on overnight, and may be used 3 to 5 times a week, which is giving me the feel that it is not harsh on the skin at all. So I'm actually really excited to use this product. Usually when I do these unboxings and try-ons, I like to use the product ahead of time so that I can let you guys know how they honestly work. But unfortunately I did not get to use this one yet, but I will be using it, and then I'll let you guys know later on my Instagram stories what I think of it. And this one retails for $29. Okay, so the next product I am a little bit skeptical about. It is the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist. So it says, this hydrating fine mist envelops skin in moisture and helps set and refresh your makeup look. Cocoa Gold Mist includes a delicate amount of a gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. So I do have a couple sprays similar to this. The sprays with like the shimmer in them. I've tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I've tried the LA Girl Cosmetics one. I have one from Tom Ford. And I love all of them because the glow is so light and natural. But when I look at this one, the little shimmer particles are looking more like literal pieces of glitter to me. They're just not as fine. So as you can see, they do look like bigger pieces of, they literally look like glitter. I'm sure it's not glitter, but the particles are just so much bigger, so they're not as fine. So this is giving me the impression that I'm going to spray it on my face and it's literally going to leave pieces of shimmer on my face, which is cute, but I don't know, I'm not really feeling that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and try it out for you guys. Who knows, maybe I'll actually really like it. I feel like if it does leave the glitter on my face, I feel like this would be cuter maybe for the body versus the face, especially because I do like to go like for matte looks. So I'm not really sure how I'd feel about glitter being sprayed all over my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. Okay, so it sprays a little violently. It does spray a little rough. I can already tell now that it does give my skin a very glowy, dewy look, but just like I thought it would, it did leave glitter all over my face. So you can especially see it in my hair, and you guys can see all that glitter. Don't come for my baby hairs. And then I know you can see them right here, like on my face. But yeah, I mean, it does give the skin a nice glow, a nice look. Just personally, the glitter is just too thick, not fine enough. The spray was a little bit rough, but I mean, it's cute. I mean, it's cute for some days, like some days when I just want to be a little extra, put glitter. I feel like it would be really good for the body if you want to have some glitter here or on your legs. But it's cute though, like it is super cute to look at. I love products like this. Just personally, I don't know how I feel about it for the face. And this one sells for $14.99. So next we have the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. So I just want to say I have never seen a product like this before, and I am definitely a fan. So it says, for the babe who wants healthy hair, start with a scalp scrub. Made with coffee and rosemary, this exfoliating scalp scrub removes the product buildup and detoxifies your scalp so you can think about dropping it, flipping it, and working it all over the place once we're done. So I do want to say, especially because I do have dyed hair, I do not wash my hair every day or every other day. Sometimes I like to go 2 or 3 days without washing my hair. I know it sounds disgusting, but that is just what works for me. I generally do not have an oily scalp. Once my hair starts looking oily, then I will go in and wash it. And I do want to say sometimes after washing my hair once, it still has some of the oil residue in it, especially because the 3rd day I usually will put it up in a bun and I use pomade to slick it back. So it's just a little bit tougher for me to get all the product and the oil out of my hair. So this product is it. So what you do is you get in the shower, you wet your hair, but before you start to shampoo your hair, you put this in your hair throughout the whole scalp. I like to let it sit for a little bit and then I scrub it into my head and then rinse it and shampoo and condition as I normally would. This is what the bottle looks like. The packaging is super sleek, super cute, straight to the point, which I like a lot. And it doesn't really have a heavy scent to it. It kind of smells like mint to me, which I guess is the rosemary. And I think it does have like coffee beans in it. they're not coffee, like coffee grounds. So as you guys can see, it does have like texture to it, which exfoliates the scalp. And also scalp exfoliation is very good for hair growth. So overall, when I use this, my head just feels really clean. My hair feels very lightweight. So I actually just really like this product a lot. And this one sells for $18.95. So next I have the NCLA Beauty So Rich Love Potion Cuticle Oil. As you can see, it does have some hearts and glitter in there, and I smelled it. It smells so good, just like roses. It says, you'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. Unfortunately, I will not be testing it today for you guys because I am going to be gifting it to my nail artist. As soon as I got this, I sent her a picture because I knew she would love it, and she told me that she was trying to get it, and by the time she was gonna get it, it was sold out. So I am going to be gifting this to her because I love her. But I will be testing another one for you guys just to show you guys like what cuticle oil does. So I struggle with crusty cuticles. If you know me, you know I always say, ugh, my cuticles are crusty. So I want to show you guys what cuticle oil does. So as you can see, this is the before. My nails are a little grown out. But as you can see, like the white towards the base of the nail bed where my finger meets my nail, they're just white and crusty. So you just apply a little cuticle oil and you literally apply it like nail polish, and it just makes your nails look brand new. It makes such a huge difference in my opinion. When I apply lotion to my hands, I apply cuticle oil. I am just obsessed with cuticle oil, and I really think this one is so cute. It has the glitter in it and everything, and I feel like she'll get so much more use out of it than me. It'll be so cute to use on all her clients. This one sells for $18, and I think they do have a bunch of other cuticle oils, so I'll definitely be purchasing one from them because I did like the way it smells. And this one does come with a little dropper rather than a brush, so I really liked that. Okay, so last but definitely not least, I have this Getaway palette from Wander Beauty. This is an eye and face palette. So I have not tried any other products from Wander Beauty other than their skincare, and I actually really like all of their skincare, so I'm super excited to try this palette out. It says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter. Enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is what the palette looks like. As you guys can see, it is textured, and y'all know I'm a hoe for packaging. I love good packaging, and I actually really like the packaging on this. I like that it has a texture and it's not just boring and flat. And I do like that it has a mirror included in it. Nowadays, a lot of palettes are not including mirrors. So this is what the palette looks like. It has 2 mattes, 4 shimmers, a highlight, and a blush. And y'all, these shimmers look so pretty. These are the shimmers. And just swatching the colors, I can already tell that these colors are so buttery. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'll be right back to give you guys a little mini tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, I already did this eye off camera. It's just like a really soft, natural cat eye look. This palette is really good for like really soft, everyday looks. I was trying to make it a little dramatic, and as you can see, it just did not get there. So this palette is really, really good if you like to just keep things very soft and natural. So this is like a perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. So the first color I'm dipping into is this brown color right here, which is called Chateau. And I'm just going to be taking it on to a flat brush. This one is a Luxie 245. I'm just going to be taking some onto the tip of the brush. And I'm just going to be drawing the shape of like a cut crease into a wing on the eye. So here's the wing. As you can see, it does not have to be perfect at all. it is pretty messy because we're going to be going in and blending it out and then cleaning up the inside. So don't even stress about trying to get it perfect. So now I'm going to be going into this shade right here, which is called Villa. It is just like a softer nude brown. And I'm going to be taking it onto this super small fluffy brush. This one is a Morphe M562. Just going to be taking a little bit onto the brush and blending out the edges of Chateau. And then now going in with the brush I used to cut my creases and some concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up the inside of the liner wing shape thing. Okay, so I cleaned it up a bit like before. It does not have to be perfect. This look is just super simple, that you don't have to make it sharp and dramatic. Like, just keep it super simple, don't even stress. So now, using the same brush that I used to apply the color Chateau, I cleaned it off, and now I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, which is called Cabana. It is just a super pretty gold color. I'm just going to be taking it onto the brush and packing it into the empty area on the lid. And just like that, the look is completed. Super simple, super easy to achieve. The colors in this palette are okay. They are not the most pigmented colors and like the most dramatic shimmers, but this is more of an everyday palette. So you don't want to do soft eyeshadow and then bling in freaking shimmer. So I feel like for an everyday, like super natural soft palette, this is a really good palette to invest in. This palette is only $36, so it's not that bad. And it does feature a blush and a highlighter. This is what the highlighter looks like, so it's actually really pretty. I'm actually going to try it on for you guys. Even though I am wearing highlighter, I'm only wearing like a soft amount of highlighter, so I'll apply a little bit for you guys. Ooh, so the highlighter, she's out there. It's like super blingin', super bright. The highlighter in this palette is actually really, really good. I didn't apply some on my nose. I did go a little crazy on my nose highlighter today, but this highlighter is actually really pretty. I really like it. So that is it for my BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. I love filming these videos. I think it is going to be something that I do from now on every month. So at least every month expect a BoxyCharm video. I'll make like a separate playlist. I can link it down below if you guys want to watch my older BoxyCharm hauls. But I actually really, really like these. I really recommend getting on BoxyCharm, guys. I have had some people DM me that they started getting their BoxyCharm and they love it already. It is only $25 a month and you get hundreds of dollars worth of products. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below which was your favorite product or any questions you guys have about any of the products. As always, head over to my Instagram and give me a follow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video.